Welcome to Book Buddy. No Dogs Allowed. Words and Pictures by Anne Davis. You know, I don't really like dogs. So I wasn't too happy when Cookie showed up at our door. I didn't like it. She sat in my chair. She sniffed everything. And that big pink tongue. I didn't like it. So I said to Gabby, let's climb our tree because dogs can't climb trees. But Gabby was funny and made Cookie laugh. So I said to Gabby, let's have some cheese and crackers. But then Gabby shared her slice of Swiss. Time to read, I said. But Gabby shared her book with Cookie. That was it. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to put my foot down. No dogs allowed, I said. And finally, the dog went away. At last, things were back to normal. We were back to our old tricks, just the two of us again. But then I saw Gabby watching the big black cloud. I knew what she was thinking. My friend was worried, and I knew what we had to do. Let's go get her. Hooray! Said Gabby. Umbrellas are tricky for cats, but I knew we could do this together. And out we went into the wet, windy night. Lucky for us, Cookie was hiding under the neighbor's porch, all shivery and cold and alone. She was so happy to see us. Gabby was happy too. I made sure everyone stayed dry till we got home. Gabby and I made Cookie comfortable. We didn't want her to catch a cold, you know. Cookie thanked me. I'd never been thanked by a dog before. Gabby made some popcorn. I kept Cookie warm, and we all shared the comfy chair.